Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to use one-handed mode on your XIAOMI 15T. So before using it, of course, you have to enable it. So let's go to settings and you have to scroll all the way down to additional settings, and under the tab accessibility find one-handed mode, and finally enable this one-handed mode feature. So the gesture you use will depend on your system navigation setting, whether you're using buttons or gestures. This is this line at the bottom side of the screen. So first of all, let's go with gestures navigation setting. So you have to swipe down on the thin line at the bottom side of the screen like this, and it will enable one-handed mode. And to exit it, you have to tap on this blank space at the top. And also now let me switch to buttons. To do that, I need to go to my home screen and then to system navigation. I select buttons, and now to use one-handed mode you have to swipe left or right across the home button like this, and also it will use one-handed mode once again like this, or you can swipe to the other side and also use that. So that's basically how you can use one-handed mode on your XIAOMI 15T. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.